Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2007 to 2014 Chevy and GMC trucks. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be 15 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just want better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance lighting upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure is outlined for 07 to 14 Chevy and GMC trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Starting on the passenger side, your license plate light will be located toward the middle of the bumper behind the tow bar. To uninstall the light, simply take a screwdriver and push on the tab on the side of the connector.
Once the OEM light assembly is detached from the rear bumper, go ahead and pull it through. You're going to take your bulb socket, turn it counterclockwise, just like that. We're going to take our bulb, pull it out. All right, so go ahead and take your Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly, pull out the connector. You can plug it into the socket either way. Once the connector is plugged in, go ahead and line up your tabs from the socket to the openings on the bulb assembly. Now twist clockwise to lock it in place. First, line up this notch with the opening on the bumper. Once that's lined up, push it in place. Go ahead and repeat the process on the other license plate bulb assembly.
Well, that about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 2007 to 2014 Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks. If you're a fan of those LED license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com and check out all the products we have to offer for your build today, such as tow mirrors or cab lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.